Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to explain about RRI High-Tech Ray X 150 HF X-ray machine, which has 6 kW capacity. This machine is widely used for diagnostic imaging in hospital and clinics. This machine comes with a lock to prevent it from moving during the procedure. Then connect the power cable to the power socket, switch on the power supply and turn on the MCB. Finally, press the power on button on the control panel to start the machine. It has two working modes, one is manual mode and the other is APR mode. Now we will see how to operate the machine in manual mode. In manual mode, you can manually set the kV and mA values according to the body parts and patient type. Let's look at the control panel and understand how to adjust the setting. To increase the kV, press up arrow button next to the kV symbol. To decrease the kV, press down arrow near the kV symbol. The minimum kV is 40 and the maximum kV is 100. To increase the mA, press the up arrow next to the mA symbol. To decrease the mA, press the down arrow near the mA symbol. The minimum mA is 20 and the maximum is 150 mA. You can also adjust the mA second to control the total radiation exposure. In this machine, the MAS value is calculated automatically and the exposure time is fixed at 0.100 second. After setting the kV and mA, press the ready button. This will prepare the machine for exposure. Once it shows ready on the screen, press the expose button to take the X-ray. Here we have different modes and focus option. Fluoro, this used for fluoroscopy, which gives live X-ray image. Manual, in this mode you set kV and mA by yourself. And APR, this stands for anatomical programmable program radiography. It gives present setting based on body part and patient size. Below the mode button you will see small focus and large focus. Small focus is used for fine line details and smaller body parts. Large focus is for larger body parts or higher exposures. In APR mode, you don't need to manually set kV and mA. Just select the body part on the screen and the machine will choose the best setting automatically. You will also see a row of buttons for patient size based on the image you shared. Baby for newborns, SS button for super small, S button for small, M for medium, L for large and LL for extra large. By selecting the correct patient size, the machine adjusts the exposure. By selecting the correct patient size, the machine adjusts the exposure to avoid over or under radiation. Just choose the body part and patient size, press ready, then press exposure to take the X-ray. Now let's see the remaining button at the top of the control panel. Bucky. This button is used to select where the X-ray is being taken, either from the table Bucky, wall standby Bucky or no Bucky. Select the right option based on patient position. And LBD, light beam diaphragm. This turns on the collimator light to help you position the X-ray area correctly on the patient. Always use this before exposure to ensure proper alignment. Reset. If you want to clear all the setting or if there are any error, press the reset button. It will bring the system back to normal. And test. This button is used for testing the exposure function without actually taking an X-ray. It helps you confirm the setting. And film, save, print. These options are used if the machine is connected to digital system or print. When you press the LBD button, a light will turn on from the collimator. This light helps you to see and set the correct X-ray window on the patient body. Now let us look at the X-ray tube. The X-ray tube is the main part that produces the X-ray. It is connected to the top of the stand and can be moved up and down or rotated to the position properly over the patient. Always make sure the tube is locked in place before taking the X-ray to avoid any movement. Just below the X-ray tube is the collimator. The collimator controls the X-ray beam size. It has two knobs on the side, one for adjusting the horizontal window and one for the vertical window. By turning these knobs, you can open or close the X-ray light windows. To see the window clearly, press the LBD button. This will turn on bright position light from the collimator. Use the light to set the correct field size on the patient body, not too big, not too small, and expose it. Thank you.